Easy there, Dave.
That's the wind. I wish I could own that, Greg, but I can't. That was the wind. Woo. Turn them rates down a little bit.
Oh, I bet you I got a ton of batteries.
Yeah, that wind's blowing the shit out of that thing.
Yeah. It's not an ideal day, but it's a day good enough.
Could be way worse. Not like yesterday.
Yeah. Well, they are like over here. Over here, like up higher.
Look at the lift on that engine.
Yeah.
Right? That was awesome, man. Oh, that thing is beautiful. I love that plane.
I really love that paint scheme.
I really do, yeah. This is beautiful, dude. I'm gonna use that word a lot. Beautiful.
That's the free wing? Yeah. Yep, that's the free wing. One thing I did with this, and I actually did it by accident, you know how the free wing, when you throttle it up, it points the nose down?
Yeah.
I corrected it when I put those X-Flies in this.
Oh.
When I dug out the nacelles, the nacelles to put the fans in, it corrected the, woo, look at that.
Yeah.
It corrected that downforce problem.
Really?
Yeah. That's why when I throttle up, you don't see the nose dip.
Yeah, it stays level or a little up.
Uh-huh.
I got 2 of them, man. I haven't gotten mine yet.
That wind's really choppy out there today. I'll take it. Trying to give you some good passes.
Yeah, they're looking good.
When we first started, I mean, there wasn't no power back there.
Try and get a flat down pass here in a second.
We saw it building up.
It's just so windy, I'm having trouble
Yeah.
keeping it in a path. There we go, buddy. Flaps down, full ordnance, that wind.
Oh, don't stall it.
I got it, don't worry. I got it. I can feel the stall coming.
Yeah, keep it solid, David. That's the raffle plane for flying.
Man, that crosswind is wicked.
Yeah.
Of course, it doesn't help that I got a full load of ordnance on that thing either.
No. See a nice grease landing.
Well, let's see if I can arrange that. Next pass. I'm getting the gear down now. All right, 3 on the tree. Next one. Let's hope we can get it. Try and get us a good combat landing here.
I didn't want to raise your ears. I was
Show me
going to
how
blow
it's
put
done.
it right here, blow it across that, yeah.
Looking good.
Nope, don't like it. Too floaty. We'll give her one more.
Yeah. Start your approach a little lower. That wind's keeping it floating.
It's all right, I got it this time.
That's looking good. Come on down. There you go. Good deal.
I'll take that all day long. How about it?
Yep.
Whenever you're ready. Not that we have any.
That's flaps.
Yeah, and gear is the next one down.
I open up hobby now.
Huh? I was wondering if you'd have to trim it.
Show off.
Listen to that whistle.
Oh shit, I opened up Hobby Town's website.
Couple things listening to us.
Yeah.
That's what mine does up here.
Right? Rip it. Pay attention to the timer. Yeah.
Man, listen to that thing whistle. Woo! Fly it, Scott.
Should be set at 3.5 minutes.
Wind caught it right there. You can see it.
It'd be appropriate if it lands in a tree.
God, no. Not that thing. You damn near glided all the way back now. All right, he's got it. Perfect. You're down. Gorgeous, buddy. No flaps landing.
That's how we do it at Birmingham.
That's right, baby. That's how you do it at Air Screws, Virginia, baby. Carrier! Victorious!
Yes! That was awesome.
Man, you had that thing ripping. Love it.
Might as well.